The lid to the pasta sauce, pizza sauce fell. It's splattered. It's splattered. Pizza sauce. It's a pizza party. Hey everyone, Armando here with another entry in our Try Something New series. I was scrolling YouTube and I came across this video of a macro-friendly pizza that I knew I just had to try. The YouTube channel was Flexible Dieting Lifestyle. I'll have a link if links are available. But yeah, pretty simple it seems like, and I'm just gonna go along and hopefully it tastes great. It looks delicious. Okay, so the first ingredient is this self-rising flour. I need 70 grams of that, and I'm gonna be pretty much weighing everything out on my scale here today. Pour a little slowly as I get close to 70 grams. 71.6. I'm just gonna leave it, that's close enough. The next ingredient is this coconut flour. I will be using 12 grams of it. All right, next up we got Nutritional yeast, and I'll be using a tablespoon or 5 grams of this. To flavor, also some garlic powder. I'm gonna add that in now too. Boom, boom, do, 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 do. This pizza turns out halfway decent. Might become a regular thing since I have all the ingredients now. All right, dry ingredients are all mixed together. Next up, I'll be adding 150 grams of Greek yogurt and 75 grams of egg whites. I love Greek yogurt. It is such an important staple in my diet. I'm making a mess. It's got such good protein. It's yummy, it's versatile. You could use it in so many different dishes. One of our favorite things is to use it as a replacement of sour cream in Mexican dishes. It's a nice little protein boost. And it could be a little sweet treat if you put some like fresh fruit or some jam. Yo jam. It's delicious. Need 75 grams of egg whites. Egg whites is also another thing I eat a lot of. It is the base in my post-workout protein smoothie every morning. And if I have time on the weekends, I like to make a nice big egg white omelet. Now I'm gonna mix this nice and even. All right, now that's evenly mixed. I'm going to spread this out in the shape of a pizza crust on some parchment paper. All right, let's get this dough. And now I am going to spread this out. Let's see if I could use a spoon. This is a pretty good size, I think. I don't know, should I spread it out more? It's supposed to be about a 12-inch diameter. I think I'm getting there, but I need to form the shape of the crust. It was right around here, or I started losing my confidence. I could have done a little bit better on the crust, but you'll see why at the end. All right, I don't think I'm gonna get much better than this, so. Here's the shape of the crust that I'm gonna make. All right, I'm going to slide this parchment paper onto this pizza stone I have. And I already have the oven preheated for 450, and I'm gonna pop it in for 8 to 10 minutes until it gets a nice golden crisp around the crust. Hopefully it turns out well. All right, crust is pretty much done. I'm gonna try to safely peel it off this parchment, and then I'm gonna be adding the toppings. All right, that's coming off pretty simple. This smell sort of reminds me of Little Caesar's pizza. And not in a bad way, because I like Little Caesars. All right, I'm gonna remove this parchment paper. I have this plate set up on top of my scale. Now I can add pizza sauce. So I'll be just using this jarred pizza sauce. I'll be 120 grams. All right, 120 grams. I'm gonna spread this evenly up to the crust areas. Sauce is spread. And now it is time to add our oh shit. The lid to the pasta sauce, pizza sauce fell. It's splattered. It's splattered. Pizza sauce. It's a pizza party. All right, mozzarella cheese, 56 grams, which is 2 servings. And we are there. So now I'm going to slide this pizza back on the pizza stone, pop it back in the oven at 450 for about 4 to 5 minutes. Check this pizza out, baby. Oh, I forgot to mention, I sprayed the crust with some the non-stick spray and sprinkled it with some garlic salt, just to get a little bit more of a nice breadstick flavor. There is my finished pizza, straight out the oven. I'll let it chill for a few minutes before I cut into it. The entire macros of this pizza is 655 calories, 15 grams of protein, 82 grams of carbs, and 50.4 grams of protein. I will be splitting this with Christina, and this will be our dinner along with some steamed veggies. All right, the pizza is done. The dough didn't come out as crispy as I wanted. I think I could have spread it more thin, as just, I don't know, but so it's a little doughier, but we're gonna try it. It smells good. Hopefully it doesn't suck. Definitely doughy.
The flavor's good.
Yeah. Yeah. Not a total failure, but we're gonna eat it. I'm getting this protein in. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
And let's try something new.
The flavor is really good.
Yeah, I think I just need to spread it more thin.